Attention to the front car. Attention to the front car. Attention to the front car. The lane departure. The lane departure.
Imagebon 10.26, 4K car DVR wireless CarPlay, Android Auto dashboard, ADAS, Wi-Fi, O-cam. Real-time reverse view. Support 1080p full screen reverse
Attention to
image,
the front
and with
car.
guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car, and clearly display the state of the
The
rear
car
of the car
started.
on the reverse IP screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline. With 5G HC high-speed Wi-Fi. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G Hz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz. GPS navigation. In CarPlay mode, the DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software. External GPS module. Which can automatic correct time display the vehicle speed and record speed coordinates and track. Then you can check the video playback in the RoadCam app. Need to choose GPS antenna, set meal. With 24H parking monitoring. 0.24H parking cable allows you to connect dash cam to a vehicle battery source, get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off. Additional purchase of hardware cable is required.